First things first, we want a reference picture in the scene, a web bird and our own concept art. I'm also gonna copy and paste a pair of pipes from the New York scene just to have a better idea of how the bird would look with them. I'm gonna start with a round cube and quite literally use the concept art as a reference to get the best possible shape from every angle. I'm also going to add a few plain colors through materials to have a quick conceptualization of the final result, but we're going to paint a texture later on. I consider the simpler version of the wings where they're yellow just like the rest of the body, but it didn't allow for much expression and it all looked too uniform. So I'm gonna make a separate mesh for the wings with a combination of stretched round cubes that we will then merge together in edit mode. Also, yes, I experimented with adding eyebrows to it, but wasn't convinced with the result, so they ended up being discarded. The texture will have no difficulty whatsoever, just a solid color background, some squares, and an oval for the belly area. You can make different textures this way to create skins for your bird. The bird still needs to be animated. We need actions such as falling and flapping, but I'm leaving that for some other time because otherwise the video will get way too long.